We're here today working on the underskirt of the cottage, just the front portion where we didn't have it partitioned off. And this is lunch today. Another charcuterie board. Yum. It is absolutely gorgeous here at the lake today. It's 23. Wow, so beautiful. And on Friday when Elizabeth was coming up, there was snow. So it's just gorgeous. Yeah, so we did a lot of work here today. We're preparing for winter already. Got all the driveway and the parking cleared. We'll have to do this several more times throughout the fall until the snow arrives. Make sure to keep the leaves off the limestone here. So we have the foam board for the bunkie, and got some more plywood. So we've taken this off in preparation for the new bunkie. We have to undo all this, take out all the supports, and redo the footprint. So yeah, not a happy camper, but it's got to be done. So just beautiful. The kids had such a good time this weekend. So this is the plywood that's going back over here. And the plywood that we have here is for to put around the cottage. So we started doing that. We're going to put a window there. And we're probably going to leave this here with a tarp and secure it well. Simply because we need access in there in the winter, and until we get that finished with a door, we need to have accessibility in there. And if there's plywood there, I won't be able to remove it when I'm up, and I'm the one who's up all the time. So although it looks kind of yikes, we have done quite a bit. That's all closed in. The wood we're going to move closer to here because we'll need it in the winter. This is building material, so in here we can work as we please. It's completely sealed. Put up all of the foam all the way around, including up here, over there, and in that little thing there where a little rodent got into. Down here it's going to be primarily tool room, crafts, and just a little play area here for the kitties, so when it's raining they can still play down here. And this is going to have a window as well, so we just boarded stuff up because it got so cold. And then when they said they actually had a snowstorm on Friday over here, so yeah. Anyway, this is all occurring extremely slow, which is frustrating, but it's occurring. So we moved the rain barrel there, closed that off. That's going to be a door, so we'll do that in the spring. And then the inside is going to be the storage for the boats and like watercraft and stuff. This here, like there's a lot of washout. We're just going to fill it with gravel or whatever we need to. We ended up sealing all the little gaps. So coming along. So this I just love because it just cleans up this whole area. And yeah, over here, this was just so junky. The poor guys, you know, looking at it all the time, I would have, yeah, not like it. So I really like the fact that it's there. So I just wanted to update you here. I've got the railings for there. I just have to get on it. I may just do the skirt because I need help with cutting the 4x4s to put on there. So I think the way we're going to separate this is this way. No, more pile. Eee! This is fantastic. I use the rest of this to put over there to fill that up so it looks a lot better. Yeah, and the kids just love this. They were just here all day playing. So I still have to do this. Yeah, these things, these posts are a nuisance. And then this, and then this and this. So there's a lot of trimming and whatnot. So we had lunch here today and dinner yesterday. We love this little area here. There's only 4 stools, so there's always an odd man out. Awfully quiet. There's the kids' play area with no more wood chip pile. Woo! I'm so glad. Yeah, I'm really liking how it's looking. Once we have the railing up and the trellis, it'll be quite cute. Water is puddling here. Things are coming this way as expected, and we continue to get washout over here. So, and it's all doing that, like here, there, like everywhere. So I hope to get this resolved quickly, and all the sand is going down that way. I just don't understand. And our deck is all crooked. I don't know how people, I mean, look at this. That's crooked. This bench here has separated from the post, and that there, so it's all skewed. So I don't know why this one's going that way, and he may have hit this, but look at that. All we had to do was use a hammer, right? That's all we had to do. But anyway. It's beautiful here today. I was going to clean up and leave the cottage clean for next time I come, which will be next weekend. But I'm really pooped and my leg is bothering me, so I think I'm just gonna go home and elevate my leg. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening.